October 30th, the rain was coming down. Hospital lights were glowing in that cold northern town. Austin Tyler Peel, you came into the light, so fragile, small and red. I held you through the night. I wanted to lift you high like Simba to the sky, so I just held you close while the whole world slipped away. I brought you to the living room a few days down the line. You fell asleep upon my chest, your tiny hand in mine. That old couch became a world where everything felt right. Just a father and his boy, while the whole world slips from sight. Every breath between us felt sacred, still and true. And somewhere in that silence, all I knew was you. And January came too fast, like winter always does. And suddenly our quiet world was drowned out by the noise. Crowded airport terminal, snow outside the glass. I held on to forever, knowing moments never last. I whispered, I love you, little man, and tried to hide the pain, knowing once I turned away, I'd never be the same. They drew their lines on paper like a father's love could fade. Missed dates and broken promises in every game they played. They can stall and hide behind the cold words they design, but no courtroom in this world can say you're not still mine. You're still mine through every mile and every state line, through every silent prayer I whisper in the dead of night. From the plains of Texas to the cold Connecticut sky, you're still my son, Austin, and you'll be till the day I die. No distance, no silence, no lie can change what's true. The whole world can stand between us, but I'm still holding on to you. The last words that I said, some nights I still hear those words run in circles in my head. October rain still falls somewhere beyond this life we knew. And after all this time, I'm still holding on